The reason I'm replacing this skid plate today is because of this bothersome noise that I have when I come to a stop or I'm hitting a bump in a certain way due to the flimsiness of this sheet metal. It looks like my skid plate was all bent out of shape, causing this wear mark and possibly where the noise was coming from. Underneath your skid plate there will be some factory bolts that we have to remove. There'll be 4 in total, and I'll show that here in a minute. I'm just showing where the factory threaded inserts are on this frame member. One right here, and one over here. Here I am lining up the skid plate to find out which bolts exactly I need to remove. Now you won't have to do this because I'll show you in the video, but this is just how I did it, and this is how I bolted up my skid plate. So if you don't have a jack, it's going to be a little bit harder, but it is doable with one person. With a 17mm socket, you're removing this bolt here, that bolt there, this aft bolt, and the other aft bolt. Starting on the aft side with a 12mm socket, we're going to tighten up the aft 2 mounting bolts. Then working our way forward with a 17mm socket, we're going to tighten up the middle 2 bolts and the forward 2 bolts. Going to go around and snug up every bolt one more time. And then we'll go around and torque every bolt to factory specs. The forward 4 bolts are torqued to 33 foot-pounds. The 2 aft bolts will be torqued to 21 foot-pounds with a 12mm socket. Here's the final product. I think it looks pretty good. I thought about painting it black, but for now I'll keep it this factory color. And I'm happy it adds more protection, and it is definitely a lot more rigid and sturdy. overall, very happy that I will no longer have to take off my skid plate for oil changes and no more flimsy sheet metal. Thanks for watching, and let me get rid of this garbage. Have a good one, guys.